I think we are live. Hi everyone. Glad to see you after so long. How many of you over here have attended Ethereum build the Road to Devcon that we have hosted recently, like today itself, uh, in Delhi? So you can let us know in the comment to show some excitement. And I'm super excited to have you all over here. So today we have the most awaited moment that we all are waiting. So some of you have reached out to me on WhatsApp asking like when the announcement of winner will be happening. So yeah, today we will be having that. Let me just quickly share my screen. Live screen. And as we all know, today we will be having our closing ceremony of Ethereum Build Camp. There will be announcing the winners and so on. So this is basically the impact that we have created. 250 plus hackers joined out, 10K views on social media, and 20 plus projects submitted. Means like folks did a great job in understanding the concept, creating the project, and so on. So special thanks to Ethereum Foundation. So I think, yeah. So this is the impact that we have created, and special thanks to like Ethereum Foundation to making this even possible, and Strat Partner AI and uh, GitHub Education. So this is basically the Ethereum Build Camp supporters, those who helped us reaching out to you folks as a community partner and so on. So a great respect to them as well, because otherwise we wouldn't be able to reach out to you folks. And yeah, basically, this is basically the judging criteria that we have. Based on that, like we have marked the folks and those who have done the project, quality of idea, implementation, idea sustainability, potential, and design. So here's basically like before going into the main build-a-thon winners, we are just doing the first giveaway winners announcement. First, like we have done this particular giveaway, show us your build setup from where you are building at Ethereum Build Camp. So, how many of you are super excited for the winners announcement for the same? Do let us know in the comments. Hey, a lot of votes. So, yeah, so here is basically the announcement. Winner of this particular track is Anupama, whose Twitter name is like Anu31415. So, this is basically from where she is learning around the stuff. So, this specifically amplifies the things that we do not need a hard coded setup to learn anything around Ethereum. You can learn anything with a minimal setup just with your phone and things like that. And now we have done this particular campaign, specifically a giveaway around the fun mascot that you have to create. So this is basically we're gonna further same. The Manic have created the Devcon logo mascot in the form of Panaji and the mixture of Devcon logo and adding the credibility of Indian culture in it, which everyone's loved it at Ethereum Foundation. So congrats, Janet. He's basically a username. And now we will be going ahead with the track prize winners that we have. So first off, like huge congratulations for everyone who made a valid submission, because I believe like there is always ups and downs. So there is always a win and a lose. But those who didn't win doesn't mean that you haven't learned anything or learn did anything. So I would say like if you have learned anything new from the buildathon, keep it as a win. Either you win or not. So keep building and keep growing up. So first winner that we have around best use, first track that we have like best use of PFI, where the prize is mechanical keyboard goodies, and in a surprise like we will be providing discounted or discount ticket to the winners that we will share with you guys super soon. So here's basically the winner. Fraud Sync is a project name. Congrats to Kamlesh. And now we have the best use of AI and Ethereum. So like for all the tracks, we have the same price. So you can go ahead and check this W vet. I think it's sorry, I like if I pronounce this particular project name wrong. So congrats to the winners like Ayush and Harsh. Now consumer crypto. Yeah, this is basically the project leash. Congrats to Rahul himself. And infra tooling, I guess, is congrats to Akshat for the same. And public good project goes to run congrats to once. And before we end up our ceremony, I would say like be the part of our community. You can join our community by going ahead scanning this particular QR code, or either you can go ahead and check the URL arcommunity.com. And those who are we partner with GitHub for providing the goodies. So for that, like they have provided a specific developer pack specifically for students. So if you are a student learning new things around GitHub, and GitHub provided like tons of tools that you can use for free. So you can scan this particular QR code and use that out. And I would say happy hacking. See you all in person in Delhi in some other event. And I can't wait to make most out of this particular time. Congratulations. And happy hacking and have a good day ahead. One more thing, like if you guys ask me around when the prizes distribution and everything will be happening, so it will be after 10 days because like I will be on leave for the upcoming 10 days up to 23, and my I'm not even available on my phone. So that I will also let you know, guys, around the stuff like all the winners and everyone. We will reach out to after 10 days itself, and we will ship your goodies, gifts and so on at your place. Once we have collect your addresses and so on. So just make sure like you keep an eye on your email or phone, and we are super excited to have you all in our upcoming event that we host. And until then, keep hacking. Have a good day. Bye bye.